Our next contest of the Better Photography Weekly Challenge is Nature in Grayscale. Our judge and mentor is Mandar Ghumare. He has been working as a wildlife photographer and conservationist since the past 9 years. Over the years, he has begun to gravitate more towards macro photography. He has won over 35 national and international awards. Some of Mandar's accolades include Wildlife India Photography Award by Better Photography, India Nature Photography Award, Claw Annual Photography Award, Sanctuary Asia, Nature in Focus, the Nature Photography Awards, Costwise Photography Contest, and recently HPC Changemaker. Hello and welcome.
Hello. So basically, nature in a grayscale. What is a grayscale? Grayscale is a completely different thing. Means in color, you can carry colors, but in grayscale, you carry the emotions. So for me, colorful images are beautiful, but grayscale images carry the emotions. Means ग्रेस्केल्स में वो होता है जो हम लोग को इमोशंस के द्वारा मतलब समझ में आ सकता है ऐसे बेसिकली आई एम लुकिंग फॉर बेटर कंपोजिशंस कंपोजिशन ये फोटोग्राफी का मेन एस्पेक्ट है मीन्स जब फोटोग्राफी में कंपोजिशन स्ट्रांग होता है तो इमेजेस डायरेक्टली अपीलिंग लगते हैं सो फॉलोइंग द रूल ऑफ थर्ड गोल्डन रेशियो इज अ गुड थिंग images can be melody it carries melody in with them so images में एक छोटा सा ऐसा म्यूजिक या फिर स्टोरी टेलिंग होता है जो अगर मतलब आप वो व्यूवर्स को दिखा पाओगे इमेजेस में स्टोरी भी होना चाहिए लाइक दिस इमेज यू कैन सी ऑन अ स्क्रीन द बटरफ्लाइज एंड द अदर फ्लाइज आर ड्रेन एंड इट वाज डेड बिकॉज ऑफ द वाटर तो उसमें एक स्टोरी है एंड ये स्टोरी एक मतलब सैडनेस या फिर एक क्या बोलते हैं उसे लाइक सॉरी एक स्टोरी कैरी कर रहा है फ्रेमवर्क एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है filling the frames, means composing your object in right way, like this. Means I'm composing the deers on the right side and filling the frame with the birds on the left top. Also, there is one tree in the blur. So my frame is looking means there is no space in this image, which is looking empty. So framework is also one of the most important thing in your image. Peace. जब एक व्यूअर आपकी इमेज देख रहा है तो उसको एक ऐसा पीसफुल या फिर एकदम ऐसा शांत ऐसा एक फील आना चाहिए लाइक दिस इज अ अर्ली मॉर्निंग शॉट सो इसमें एक अर्ली मॉर्निंग फील या फिर अर्ली मॉर्निंग फॉगी टच ऐसा है जो हमें मॉर्निंग में अगर हम लोग वर्कआउट के लिए या फिर कहीं ट्रैवल के लिए जाते तो जो पीस हमें मॉर्निंग में मिलता है लाइक दिस सॉरी chaotic images can be chaotic means you can see this image is very chaotic but still you can see the object on the left side on the left top so compose your frame like this means there is many things in this means many branches in this frame but still you can find the object in first view so images can be chaotic but object जो भी व्यूअर देख रहा है या फिर कोई भी देख रहा है उसे फर्स्ट व्यू में वो दिखना चाहिए creativity. In this frame, I am composing two different birds with the help of leaves. So I am taking leaves in foreground. So my foreground will be a blurry, and I am focusing on the bird. So bird can be in the focus. So that's means that's a different thing. Means you are finding the frame from leaves to create something different. So create something new. Create means try something new always into the frame. Means there is some rules like object should be means object is looking in the frame is means it will look good. So इसमें भी जो parrots है on the left and on the right that those parrots are looking into the frames. So जब भी आप कुछ भी subject compose कर रहे हो that should be means composed well, filling the frame. On the left side, I'm composing the elephant with the baby, and the full frame is a field. On the right side, I'm filling the baby monkey with his or her mother. In this image, I'm means filling the whole frame with means object. So filling the frame is also important. In the end, break all the rules. Means first learn all the rules, then break it. If you don't know the rules, then you can't break it because breaking the rules makes new images. Means that's a different thing. Uh, be different means compose differently. In first image, I am composing the dragonfly with the wider background. I am putting the torchlight in means backdrop, so my dragonfly can be means pop up. In the right hand, I am composing only the wings of the dragonfly. So be different means create something new. Go close, go wide, uh, and create something different perspectives. Light conditions. Check your natural light conditions and use them. Means natural lights are very good. You can use it whenever you want. And like natural lighting is the one of the finest lighting. So use natural lights and create something new. Blurs. Blurs makes the image appealing. So if you are means putting the blurs in your image, and your object should be in right proper manner. So it should pop up first. So use blurs in your images. Sadness. As I told that black and white images carries emotions. So be means find a frame which is means which carries emotions, sadness or happiness or anything. Use external lights. If you are using external lights, use it means use it correctly, or use different external lights. Keep experimenting. So in this image, I have used three different external lights to create means those shiny effect. So if you are using the external lights with your objects, then it should be looking very good. Try something new. In this image, there was a bird sitting on the branch. So, but I didn't click the bird directly. I looked in the water. There was a reflection of the bird. So I clicked this image in the reflection. This is a reflection of birds. So try something new. As I told, break all the rules. play with shadows and highlights. Shadows and highlights are one of the most means beautiful thing. You can create finest images with the shadows and highlights. So use it in your images. This is also a shadow of one skitters, which we have you just see on the external light. So use it shadows and highlights in your images. Creative lighting. Use creative lighting in your images, so it can look more appealing. Uh, Use it to means try backlights, try footlights, try something different. Like so, if you are using creative lights, then it should be looking good. Thank you. So, tips for the day is be simple. Means simplicity in the images are most beautiful thing. So be simple in your images. Hmm? Uh, Use creativity in your images. Uh, First, learn all the rules, then break it. So breaking the rules are also important, but break rules in aesthetic manner. Yeah. And last but not the least, be you, be free, be whatever you want to click, and means uh, keep your child alive inside you. So if you are clicking with the no emotions and no means you are like आपको कुछ करना है, ये सोच के आप अगर मीन्स फोटोग्राफ करोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. Be free and click whatever you want.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.